Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with exercise 3.4, question number 3. Find the square root of the following numbers correct to two decimal places. Second one, 107.45. Here again we will take out square root and we will start making pairs. We have written this 107.45. Now before decimal, how we will make pair? This will be one pair and one will be written single. Here 45, here is written 45, one we will make pair of 4 5. Now we will start dividing. 1 ones are 1, nothing will be the remainder. Then we have copied 07. Now at that time we can see here that 07 will not go, therefore we have to copy the next pair also. Therefore we have written 0 and then we have copied 4 5, and after that decimal is there, therefore we have written decimal. Here also, as we have increased 0, therefore here also we will write 0. Next step, now we will see with 20. With 20, how many times it will go? 20, 3 3s are 9, 0 and here 6. So 3 and here also I have written 3. Now 203, 3s are 609. When we have subtracted 1, 3, 1 has come. Now we have to write the answer to two decimal places. Now we have written decimal, therefore we can increase 2 zeros. In simple division we increase 1 0, but here whenever we will increase 0, we will increase 2 zeros. Therefore we have written 2 zeros here. Now the number has come 13100. Here we have to add the unit digit. 3 plus 3 6. Now it has come 206. Now 206, 6 are 1 2 3 9 6 704. Answer will be 10.36. Next is we have to take out square root of 2. We have to take out square root of 2. This we can write as 2.0000. The value will not be changed. Now we will write in the box. Now this will be one pair, and after that we can make pairs like this: 0 0 1 pair, after that 1 pair, and after that 1 pair. Like this we will write. Here 1 ones are 1. When we will subtract, it will come 1. And then we will copy the next pair 0 0, 1 plus 1 2 here. Now how many times? 4 4s are 96. Again you will add the unit digit, it will come 28. Now 28, 1 ones are 281, 119. It has come till two decimal places 1.41. So therefore we can say that the value of root 2 is equal to 1.41. Next question is find the square root of the following fraction by division method. By division method, mixed fraction it is given. First we will change into improper. When we have changed into improper, it has come 60 upon 11. And when we have divided this 60 upon 11, it has come 5.4545 and so on, 4545. Next we have to take out, means we have to take out square root of 5.454545. Okay, so we will start making pairs. Here 1 5 and here 4 5 1 pair, after that 4 5 1 pair, and same way we will start taking out square root. 2 2s are 4. Here when we will subtract, it will come 1. Here we will add 2 plus 2, it will come 4. Again we have to see here what number will be written. 4 3 times, 3 3s are 9, and here 12. So 3 times 129. When we have subtracted, it has come 16, and we have copied the next pair 45. Here again we will same time we will add the unit digit. 3 plus 3, it will come 463. Therefore 4 6 it will come. Now 3 3s are 46, 3 3s are, it will come 1389. Remainder will be 256. And here we can see that answer will be 2.33. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5, question number 5. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers to make them a perfect square. Means the question is given, we have to find that number which will be subtracted from the given number to make it a perfect square. Means whatever number is given is not a perfect square. Something remainder will come. So whatever remainder will come, we will subtract it from the given number. The required number will be the whatever we will get after subtracting. Here first we will take out square root. When we have taken out square root, 23 is coming the remainder. Therefore, we can say subtracting 23 from 984, we will get 961. 23, here we can say 23 is extra. Therefore, 23 we will subtract from 984, we will get that number which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square, and its square root means 961 we will get. When we will subtract 23 from 984, we will get 961, which 961 we can say is a perfect square. And when we will take out the square root of 961, answer will come 31. Therefore, we can say that 31 into 31 will be equal to 961. Now next question, question number 7, question number 6, third one, 6598. Here it is asked that find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers to make them a perfect square. There it was given which must be in previous question. You have to see which number will be subtracted. Here it is asked that which number will be added. Therefore, first of all, we will take out the square root. Now here we will not do simply whatever remainder is coming, we will not add it. We get the remainder 37. Now this shows that 81 square is smaller than 6598. Therefore, we will take number more than 81. 1 more than 81 is equal to 82 ka square. Therefore, 82 ka square minus 6598 will come 126. What we do? Whatever quotient will come here, we will take one more than of this number, means 81 here it is coming. We will take 82 ka square. 82 ka square minus this number 6598. Whatever will come means 126 it is coming. Therefore, we can say that hence the least number that must be added to 6598 as to make a perfect square will be 126. Therefore, in 6598 we can say that 126 will be added.